Is this your house?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you give me a tour? Who's all in your house with you?
Okay. I have my balloon too. I have my balloon in the house too.
You want your balloon in the house too? Okay.
It's safe in the house. It's safe in here.
Oh, your house fell apart. Time for repairs.
It is. I picked it up. I picked it up.
Oh, good. Who's all in your house?
I saw it.
Oh,
Can I come back out?
you gonna come out of your house?
Can I step out?
You can try to jump out. I don't know.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck out.
You're gonna have to make a door.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, Mommy. I'm stuck.
We'll make a door.
Pick it up. And put it on this.
Yay! You got out of your house. Arr. Arr.
I'll make a house again on my house.
Yeah, this time when we make the house, we need a door, huh?
Call me. Call me. I'm in the house.
In the house? You want to build you back in?
I put it back in. I put it.
Okay. Love you.